Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making healthy and tasty beetroot stir fry, a Kerala cuisine. So without any further ado, let's begin. Heat a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil gets heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it starts to splutter, add a pinch of fenugreek seed. Now add some crushed green chilies, garlic and few curry leaves. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes till it starts to release a nice aroma. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized onion, thinly sliced. Saute it for few minutes till it turns golden brown like so. Now add the beetroot. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized beetroot thinly sliced. You can cut it in any shape of your preference. Just make sure it is thinly sliced. Mix it all well. Now add salt to taste and a pinch of turmeric. Don't add too much of turmeric, it will ruin the color. Mix it well. Add a splash of water, just a little, and bring this all together like so. Make it like a pyramid. This helps the beetroot to cook faster. Now close the lid and cook for 7 to 10 minutes on low flame till the beetroot gets tender. Make sure to check every 3 minutes and give it a quick stir. Beetroot has cooked very well. This has become very soft. Now open the lid and spread it like so and saute for 2 to 3 minutes till all the moisture gets dry. This is a very important step. This helps to give a nice roast flavor to the beetroot, which enhances the overall taste. At this stage, add half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder as per your spice preference. Saute for a minute. And that's it. A delicious and healthy beetroot stir fry is ready to be served. This can be enjoyed with roti or rice. Hope you have liked the recipe. Do try this. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.